The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, on Wednesday matriculated no fewer than 1,241 newly admitted students for the 2024/2025 academic session. The matriculation ceremony, the fourth since the university was established in 2021, took place at the Professor Abubakar Adamu Rasheed Twin Lecture Theatre. The students were matriculated into 7 schools, which includes the School of Computing, Medicine, Law, Nursing Sciences, Health Sciences, Environmental Sciences, and Social and Management Sciences. During the event, invited guests including parents, government functionaries, traditional title holders, and other well-wishers witnessed the event. In his address at the occasion, the President of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Mohammad Israr, said the event marks the official enrollment of new students into the university academic program as approved by the National Universities Commission (NUC).
The purpose of this ceremony is to matriculate students into their various schools. Therefore, by the authority confirmed on me by the Senate of the Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, I hereby declare the 4th matriculation ceremony of the Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Kano, open.
He congratulated the students for securing admission into the prestigious university and urged them to embrace self-discipline and pursue their studies with seriousness. Professor Israr said MAAUN has now come of age as it has a strategic vision to offer its students the best in cutting-edge research and service delivery in science, leadership, and management. The vision of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Kano, is a lofty one. I call on everyone to join the founder of the university and his team of sound academics and intellectuals to see the fulfillment and further expansion of the university, he said. In his address, the founder of MAAUN Group of Universities, Professor Adamu Abubakar, advised the matriculating students to face their studies with seriousness, as anyone who fails to measure up will be dismissed.
Coming to MAAUN because you think it is a private university that your degree is guaranteed. Because your parents are rich, they can pay your tuition fee. So if you pay your tuition fee, it means you have automatic degree. That is not true here. Your tuition fee doesn't guarantee your degree. What guarantees your degree is your knowledge. If you are knowledgeable and you have good character, that means you are going to graduate from this university.
While calling on the matriculating students to be of good character, Professor Gwarzo said they should be proud of being a part of the MAAUN family in view of what they stand to benefit from the university's profound intellectual and material investments. He said the university is committed to providing quality education so as to produce quality graduates who could become future leaders of the country. In his goodwill message, the Vice President Administration of MAAUN Maradi, Niger Republic, Dr. Shaibu Tanko, urged the students to be good ambassadors of MAAUN and Nigeria at large. He stated that MAAUN not only imparts knowledge but also equips students with the skills necessary to become self-reliant after graduation. In their separate goodwill messages, some parents poured encomiums on the founder and management of the university for their commitment to ensure that students are not only academically sound but also good in character.
And Alhamdulillah, what I have seen today at the matriculation exercise for 100 level students, I know this is a very serious school, and inshallah it will succeed and reach greater heights. And I noticed that this is the 4th matriculation, which means even the school here in Kano has reached a very, very high level. Because when they started out, it was in Niger, in Maradi, which is a Hausa city just north of the border. But now they have several other universities, 4 in number, and established by this young gentleman, Professor Gwarzo, in whom we are so proud. As a Kano boy, as a Kano young man who has done so well for the education sector, we hope you will also look at other sectors in our lives and do as well as he did in education.
We are from Lebanon. Maya, she want to travel to Lebanon to finish study her university, but we prefer, after we see this university, to continue here. This university is special in the north. They have everything, and everything is okay.
I am a parent. My son is here studying data science. I heard about MAAUN from family and friends. We've been scouting for the right school nationwide. We've looked towards the southwest in the quest for a school that maintains academic standards as well as high moral values.
The school is a great school. I love the school, the environment and everything. I love everything, the decency, the way they dress and the academics. We love it. That's why we put our children here. We commend the school that they should continue with what they are doing. The school is a very good school.
They, however, charge the matriculating students to have focus so as to actualize their dreams in life. The Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, who led the proceedings during the matriculation ceremony, administered the matriculation oath to the students.
Say I, with the matriculation number of the Department of, do solemnly swear to observe and respect